No matter where you are in your trading journey, Topstep is designed to help you develop your trading skills, from your first trade all the way to funded trading. It starts in training camp, where our coaches walk you through the program and break down risk, mindset, and strategy backed by decades of experience trading and coaching traders. When you're ready to start trading, you move into the trading combine, where you trade simulated markets that use real market data. This evaluation gives you clear goals so you can develop real skill before putting your own capital in the markets. Pass the trading combine and you earn an express funded account. This funded evaluation is where discipline and consistency can turn into real payouts. It's where traders prove they can perform consistently with real money on the line. Traders who show our risk team they can consistently perform can be called up to a live funded account, trading real markets with real Topstep capital. This is the big leagues, and we treat it that way. Unstructured path designed to develop real traders. This is Topstep.